Good, wonderful morning, everybody. We're hunting rabbits. This is on the other side of the power station, substation. We took the car. Hello, baby. Well, not a baby Maggie, young Maggie. Teenager. Yeah, she's got lots of exploring to do over here. It's been ages since she's been over here. So we're going to go and see if Toby is out today. I think it's been about 2 weeks. Or a week and a half since probably a week and a half since we've seen Toby, I think. We didn't use the car last week. Digging holes. There's digging holes. I'm not expecting to see any rabbits this morning. It's still very cold, so there's a good chance that they're hiding in burrows made by feather. But still, lots of investigations to do. See what wild dogs have peed here, what birds have been around, and of course the rabbits that have been around overnight. So they will be staying in the substation where it's nice and warm. There's many holes already dug by the power companies that have been here over time. All their old junk and equipment. Big drills, drill attachments, very, very old and blunt. At the end of their useful life, but they still keep them here because they're not worth selling. Yes, we are being yelled at by lots of noisy miners. They don't like us intruding on their patch. Oh, there's Fluff. Rabbit Fluff. We'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day.